Today on Geek and Son, we see how the Nova gets a new 383 stroker installed. We also see how the windshield wipers work first, and then will it start? That's the question today. Will it start? Today on Geek and Son. Videoing?
I'm watching, yep. Here we go.
When this baby hits 88 miles an hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
You're gonna put this on Facebook.
Let's see, let me hit start. Let's check here.
Oh, it didn't hit 88 miles an hour.
Did you push the button?
No, it doesn't have safety switches.
Did you bypass the initial safety switch?
From what I remember, I never worked. I can try it. It could be. Hey, we got something.
Windshield wipers.
Make her.
Yeah. Yeah, I got nothing.
Blinkers, there's no lights.
Hold on, I got no ground. I don't have ground.
Did the windshield wipers really come on? It's funny.
I don't feel my life. Let's see if this works. Start. Yeah, we have no start. Did you hear your clutch? Still have no start. That's crazy.
Where's the granny? Did you put oil in it?
Yeah?
Yes.
I put the right amount of oil in. Did I put it in the right hole? James told me to pour it in that one. Down to 4 quarts. Maybe it needs more. We got a noise out of it. That's good. Should I?
Good fuel pressure. Maybe we don't have 12 volts in the right place to make it. I don't have to pull it.
Well, we're not ready. We're really good. We're trying to build up oil pressure and get some fuel. We got fuel, but I have no way to tell the oil pressure.
Take the thing out, see if it spurs out.
There's a hose out there. And that one off.
You may have to do like take 2, take 3. That's totally normal.
I didn't get that on video.
Record.
Shoot. Was that it starting?
Get in here, you chicken. Record this.
I am recording it. Blow up the whole house. Woo! Another chicken. I think I need a better angle from back here.
Baby. It's gonna be damn loud.
Get some earplugs.
There's
there's no exhaust on it. It's coming right out of the sides.
Is it supposed to do that?
Oh, yeah. There's no exhaust.
No, it smells like it too. Was that it trying to start though? Was that right?
Yeah.
I used to have a pair of earmuffs for where they went.
I saw fire come out the exhaust.
Me too.
We're getting there.
Is it supposed to be doing that?